gonna do is we're gonna do what we call adding and subtracting polynomials. So we're gonna add and subtract
How much you getting paid?
polynomials. Okay. Number 6.
I need a raise.
X plus 2,
Cookies.
Raising
3x plus 5. Come on, guys. Hey, come on. Okay? Okay. First one. This is a parentheses. We haven't done this yet, so pay attention. Okay? When you have a plus or a minus, this part right here is going to be really easy. Okay? You see a plus here, this section, you're just going to bring it down. Just bring it down. Okay? There's nothing to do on that side. This is where most of the action is going to take place. What do I say if you don't see a number? What number do we assign? A 1, okay? So I'm gonna put a 1 right here, and I'm gonna use that as a reference. Later on, if you get good at this, you don't have to put the 1, you would know right away what to do. But for now, let's use it as a reference. So I have a 1. Everything that's in parentheses inside, we're gonna multiply it by this 1, okay? Remember I told you guys that from now on, you're gonna start seeing the parentheses as a multiplier. When you were in elementary, they would give you these little timetables, right? And you'd see the x as the multiplier. We're not gonna do that anymore because this x could mean, we use it as a variable now. So this is how you multiply now. So what we're gonna do is this is 1 term, this is 2 terms. So we're gonna multiply this 1 times both of the terms. 1 at a time. 1 at a time, watch. 1 times 3x is what? 3 what? 3x. Positive or negative? It's important to know because I'm going to have to write a plus here to separate these terms. 3x. Okay, good. Now 1 times 5. What's 1 times 5? What's 1 times 5? Yes. What's 1 times 5? What's 1 times 5, Bailey? 5. Positive or negative? Positive, because it's positive times a positive, it's a positive. Okay? Now, does that look familiar to you guys? Yeah? What do we do here? Okay? Let's circle the terms that we have. We have this term, we have this term, we have this term, and we have this term. Okay? We have our 4 terms. So when I say combine like terms, what are we going to combine, Robert?
3, 2.
Well, does this 2 have an x?
Yeah.
You're gonna do.
This 2 doesn't have an x.
3.
What are you going to do?
2 and 5.
You can do 2 and 5. 2 and
Yeah.
5 will work. Those 2 will combine. So what's 2 plus 5?
7.
Plus or negative?
Positive.
Positive 7, right? Okay, now can we combine this 3x and this x?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Remember, if it doesn't have a number, what number do we give it? A 1. So what's 1x plus 3x? 4x.
Wait, don't
Okay.
you times it? Don't you do
No,
1
no, we're not.
times 3?
See, I'm glad you brought that up.
Good question.
Good question. Right here, we're multiplying. This right here, we're multiplying. Right here, we're combining. And if you combine, you're going to be adding or subtracting. Subtract terms. Okay? This is a whole different stage. Okay? Here we multiplied. And once we got it into this distributive properties, then we're going to combine it. When you combine, you're adding and subtracting, so the rules change. Okay? That's a good question. So 1x plus 3x is going to give you plus 4x. Okay? Now this doesn't look very good. I'd like to have my x's first, so I'm going to rewrite this as, I'm going to write it as 4x plus 7. Okay? If you wrote it like this, that's fine. No problem. when you get up there in math, they're gonna want you to write it in standard form. The standard form says you always start with your variables. Your highest exponent will be first, and then you kind of work your way down until you get to your constant term, okay? So that's number 6, okay? Okay, I want you guys to try number 8. Try number 8. Okay? Try it now. I'm gonna walk around. Remember, just follow this guide. Follow this guide. When you're multiplying, remember that this is a different rule from the adding and subtracting. If you need the rules, they're right here. Okay? Negative times a negative is a positive. A negative times a positive is a negative. Positive times a negative is a negative, and two positives make a positive. Okay? Give it a shot. Okay?